Okay, so the Plum paper planner that I've been so excited about is finally here. And I say finally, but it was here 2 days ahead of the projected arrival date. And they shipped it well within their parameters. Hi, Tristan. My cat is apparently going to make an appearance as well. But I'm super, super excited about it. And I ordered the student planner edition. And I didn't see that many videos of it on YouTube, so I decided I'd just make a quick little unboxing. That way, if anybody else was curious, they could see how it looks and how it's customized for my planner. The ones I found on YouTube were older. They were from like 2016 and 17. I didn't really see anything from this year. So anyway, I'm super excited to see this. So hopefully it will answer somebody else's questions too. I don't usually video anything, so please excuse my mess. And the notes on my hand that I decided to write down in class today because I didn't have paper. Oh my gosh, so exciting. Oh, everything's boxed up so cute. Thank you. Oh, that's cool. It's telling you all about the planner. And then apparently you can get your product for free. They do a drawing on the first of each month, so that's cool. Anyway, I want to see my planner, so okay, it's on this little thing. I got all the wrapping. I'm sure it's horrible. Oh wow. So this is actually not my first Plum paper planner, but the one I had before was from 2015, and actually I can make room. This is that one. Apparently I like purple, even though my favorite color is green, so go figure. Anyway, this one didn't just have this outside cover on it. This one actually has a little plastic thing to protect it. That was one thing I found I didn't like about them before, was that my planner edges got all kinds of scuffed up and stained. I don't know how well you can see like all the marks and stuff on it there, but it was it's pretty bad because I was always throwing it in my backpack. Anyway, on to the new one. So new one has this nice little cover. And I just noticed I totally put the wrong year on that. I wonder if I did that or if they did that. I had to have done it. Oh well, I'll live with it. It's okay. Anyway, student planner 2018, at least the right year's in here. 2019. Then you have special dates. This is all the same in all of the student planners at least. Then you got a place for the schedule, which I'm very excited about. I have a ton of classes and appointments and things I'm trying to keep up with, and that was really my motivation for ordering this. The last Plum paper I had, I didn't actually finish all the way, just because life got kind of overwhelming and I just sort of threw everything to the wind. But I desperately need something to coordinate the 5 syllabus I have for school and appointments and everything else. I love bullet journaling, but I just don't have the time to put into the layouts right now, so I'm super excited to have this and to be able to go through. Oh my gosh, so excited. You got room for tests and quizzes up here, habit tracker right here, which is just awesome. And then all the day-to-day stuff is here. Important this week. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use this. I'm going to start tonight. And then I did have a couple things added to the end of each month. You can have pages distributed as you want of certain things. And so they all came with like an extra sheet of lined paper, and then I added one of the dot grid. I wanted to do more, but I was already at my maximum number of pages, so I didn't. And I got it from October, because I ordered it in September, but I knew it wouldn't be here till October, and this is October 3rd. So I have October through September of next year. So it's only 12 months, but it'll get me through this semester, next semester, and summer, and then part of the fall semester for next year. So that's what each month looks like. I've already ordered some stickers and I printed some stickers, and maybe show those in a different video if I decide I want to do this. So anyway, I got the My Home add-on put in the planner, and it just goes through. You can have your home service providers, home maintenance, master cleaning guide. It'd be great if I could ever actually stick to using one of those. And then this was kind of cool, just the laundry guide, fabric care sheet. Nice handy reference. Basic gardening terms. If I ever had time to keep up with the garden, it'd be fantastic. My garden, winter, spring, summer, fall. And again, it's kind of cool. Family favorites for breakfast, lunch, dinner. That's great. Monthly goals. Home projects. This is fantastic. Maybe get my husband to use this with me. Gift list. I've never been that organized, but maybe one day. Shopping list. Monthly bills. This would be great. Yeah, I really desperately need something to help me keep up with when the bills are due. It'd be so nice if they were all due on one day, but of course that's never going to happen. Yearly expense overview. I don't know that I'll use this, but it's nice to have the option. And then I added the fitness part as well. Again, this is something I don't know if I'll keep up with, but I wanted to have the option, and I would really like to. It's got your monthly overview if you have a weight goal, a BMI goal, a fitness tracker, vitamins, sleep, steps, exercise, water. This month's goal, motivation and rewards, weight overview, measurements, my fitness was, blah, 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 my nutrition was. Oh, my nutrition always sucks. Anyway, there's 12 of those. And then there's a yearly overview for it in the very back of the fitness section. So target, wellness scale, fitness reflection. Anyway, then a section for blog, because I would love to be able to keep up with my blog, even though I'm horrible at it. You have login information, you have monthly overviews, post idea brainstorms, dates, holidays, blog priorities, giveaways, advertising. If I actually had those, that'd be cool. But I just use my blog mostly to write just for myself and my own entertainment, and anybody else who loves books. Blog post schedule. Yeah, great statistics. You got a spot down there. And then there should be 12 of these as well. And there's the yearly overview. People who actually make money from their blog. That'd be cool. Checklist. Had some extra checklists added, just because I love lists. I'm always making lists, and I knew I would need some. So I think there were 12 or 24 of those as well. And I had some extra dot grid put in here. One of the first things I will do, they've got extra sheets for passwords, contacts, U.S. holidays, and then another calendar for 2020, which is awesome. But one of the first things I'm going to do is probably use this page and start making a page to test inks on. I love using fountain pens, and I love the G2 Pilot pens for gel pens, but everything seems to bleed through so much paper. Last time when I used the Plum paper planner, it was really good about that. I wasn't really using fountain pens much of the time, but I didn't really have a whole lot of bleed through for everything. So anyway, I'm super excited to start this, and I just wanted to show the newer student edition, even though I apparently put the wrong year in. I don't know what I was thinking. But anyway, you all can laugh at my goof up. Anyway, I'm super, super excited, and I hope that gave somebody else who wanted to see the more current student edition a better look at it than what's just on the website. So anyway, thanks.